Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. And today's project is really very interesting. We are going to make the Arctic region. It looks like this. It really looks so amazing. I'm going to tell you how to make it. So to make it, you need a piece of cardboard which you can get from any pizza box or these types of boxes. So let's see the surprise behind. You just have to put blank paper on the front area so that it can be the base of the Arctic region. So first we need blue poster colors. And I'm just gonna paint the lake. And I have to make it a bit curved so that it seems natural. We are supposed to make it look as natural as possible. A bit curved so that it looks very real. So it looks like this. I'm just gonna color inside. So it looks like this at the end. It really looks pretty good. Okay, so now it's almost filled with the color. So now it's done. So now I'm just gonna take small pieces of thermo sheet and put it in the lake with the help of some glue. So I'm just gonna paste it right over here. So now all of them are pasted. I'm just gonna paint them with some blue poster paint so that it looks more real. And it will also get a perfect glacier feeling with that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take some white stones and make the outline of the lake with the help of the glue gun. Sometimes you just really have to use help from an adult with glue gun. So now I just have to put all of these as natural as possible around the lake. So it looks like this, and here's the last stone. It looks like this. So now I'm just gonna take these transparent marbles and put it in the lake so that it seems like ice. So now here I have this normal shark toy, but I turned it into a humpback whale. Let me tell you some facts of this animal. Humpback whales are mammals and they eat plants. Their size is equal to a size of a big bus. Very impressive. So I just have to keep this over there. It seems very natural. So now I'm gonna take some thermo sheet, take the name, and then just put it right next to it. Yeah, like this. So now I'm gonna take this Arctic fox. First you need a triangle, semicircle, some squares, and a zigzag tail. Let me tell you some facts of this. Arctic fox's scientific name is Wels lagopus. They belong in the family of mammals and are omnivores. They live as long as 3 to 6 years in the wild. That seems like a pretty small number. So now I'm just gonna take some thermo sheet, paste it over there, and now I'm just gonna take this Arctic fox and put it right over there. It seems like it just leaped up from there. Okay, so now I'm gonna use some white glue and I'm just gonna put it over there properly so that I can put the paper clay or dry paper clay so that it can give a natural feeling of snow. But if you don't have that, you can also use cotton. So I just have to blend it until it's blended properly. So now I'm gonna take this dry paper clay, just spread it around so that it really looks as natural as possible. So now I'm just gonna put this around so it looks like this. Now I'm gonna take these penguin covers, put it right over there. If you don't know how to make these eggshell penguins, so then please check the link in the description below. Let me tell you some facts of penguins. Penguins live in some of the coldest places on earth. They are really fast swimmers and live up to 15 to 20 years in the wild. That's more than the Arctic fox, which really surprised me. Okay, so now I'm just gonna keep it over there. It looks pretty cute. I'm also gonna take its friend and put it right next to it. So now I'm gonna take this igloo. If you don't know how to make it, check the link in the description below. Just gonna put a baby polar bear over there. Let me tell you some facts about polar bears. Polar bears are found in the frozen wild of the Arctic. They are the largest carnivores on land. They can smell their food from 19 to 20 miles away and can eat 400 hamburgers at once. Pretty impressive. So here I have a walrus. Let me tell you some facts of it. Walrus is in the family of mammals and is a carnivore. They live in a group called a herd. They live up to 40 years. That's really the most number till now. So we're just gonna keep it over here so that it looks good. So now over here I have a seal. Let me tell you some facts about it. Seals are carnivores and weigh up to 100 pounds. That's a really big amount of weight. So now I'm going to label some which I did not label, like the walrus, the seal. I just have to make it a bit more close. And now time for the polar bears. So this is the polar region. It really looks so amazing, and by making this project I've learned a lot about the polar region and Arctic animals. In the same way, it will also be helpful for you. If you like this video, let me know by clicking the like button and by staying connected.